Hello, I am Ruhul Sarkar, author of the newly published book Noora. So, what exactly is Noora? Noora is the last missing piece of the cosmic puzzle, the final scientific revelation. In this groundbreaking work, I've challenged the long-standing theories of eminent physicists like Newton and Einstein. For example, Newton described gravity as a force of attraction between bodies, a concept that shaped our understanding for about 2.5 centuries. Then came Einstein. He rejected Newton's attraction-based gravity, arguing that there is no such thing as attraction among bodies. Instead, he revolutionized gravity as the curvature of space-time around massive objects that guides other bodies along the curves. We have embraced Einstein's explanation for over a century now. But the question is, should we limit our understanding to Einstein's explanation, or is it time to move on? Indeed, it's time to move on. Enters Noora, to deliver the conceptual explanation of gravity as the final scientific revelation. Noora rejected Einstein's explanation, arguing that it's chemically incorrect. Noora explains gravity differently in Chapter 0, Part 1. Check it out, it will blow your mind. Secondly, Noora scrutinizes Einstein's famous equation E equal to mc squared by challenging its classical interpretations of the mass-energy relationship as incorrect. I argued that the equation m equal to E by c squared is insufficient to synthesize mass from energy in the form of chemical elements. Noora prescribes an alternative strategy to redefine the mass-energy relationship by introducing a new atomic model. According to Noora, Einstein failed to envision the mechanism of mass formation, arguing that any mass must be a form of a chemical element. This new atomic model aims to facilitate the synthesis of mass as atoms in the form of chemical elements. The synthesis of atoms and medicinal compounds is now a matter of intelligent design engineering and a command to print under a classified project to make quantum 3D printing successful. You must be surprised by now, but remember, this is not a joke. It may seem unbelievable as it challenges conventional wisdom and what we have learned from all sources of knowledge, including educators and textbooks. But take this message to your heart and trust that Noora holds the ultimate truth. How do I know that this is true? This is true because I know it. I know something that others don't. From my unique encounters and inspiration, I've gleaned a piece of wisdom, something profoundly insightful that has remained dormant from the rest of the world. This knowledge is not just a trivial fact, but a lens through which the universe can be viewed differently, revealing layers of meaning and understanding that were previously unknown. Not only these, according to Noora, most scientific theories are fundamentally incorrect. Noora scrutinizes the validity of pivotal historical experiments such as the alpha particle experiment, the photoelectric effect, Compton scattering, and pair production. I argued that while the experiments are valid, the conclusions are founded on flawed interpretations of experimental data. Noora is a decisively bold statement and a call to re-examine the very foundations of science. I've delved deep to uncover, redefine, and disclose the fundamental principles that govern our existence and laid them out in Noora. I hope this disclosure ignites your curiosity to explore new knowledge. However, if this sounds like a fool's foul talk, then you are right. It is normal. But be humbly reminded that when you do not know something, it simply means you don't know it yet. With this information and other comprehensive compilations in Noora, I am now in a position to issue this challenge to the world. No individual on Earth could conceive and compile such a transformative work. It stands as the word of the universe, embodying truths undeniably beyond human fabrication. Please note that while it's not my intention to provoke anger, create controversy, or attract false attention, I felt that many might see it differently. Hence, I urge you to give a second thought and ask yourself, why would I issue such a challenge? Discover the full story with Noora, now available on Amazon. I guarantee that your purchase will definitely satisfy your curiosity while supporting the promotion of the book, Noora's charitable efforts and content creation. However, if you can't afford it, please feel free to request your free copy. Thanks for watching this video. In-depth descriptions, expert interviews, and reels with exclusive content are on the way. Curious? Join Noora on this captivating journey. Be the first to access exclusive insights. Please like, share, and subscribe to stay ahead. Be a part of this incredible adventure